Puri, Odisha's temple town and pride and BJD's bastion. In poll season, BJP's Sambit Patra, BJD's Arup Patnaik and Congress's second choice, Jai Narayan Patnaik are seeking votes as Prashad for the Lok Sabha bid. Also at stake is the assembly, with simultaneous polls in the state. BJP's candidate from this temple town, Sambit Patra, is going all out, hoping to recover from the 2019 setback.
पिछले बार के मुकाबले इस बार क्या फर्क लग रहा है?
देखिए, आपके कैमरा ने सब कुछ दिखाया है सामने। जिस प्रकार का समुद्र आप देख रहे हैं, जन समर्थन, ये कोई हमारे लिए नहीं है। हमें कुछ नहीं देखना है, सब कुछ नरेंद्र मोदी देख रहे हैं। सब कुछ नरेंद्र मोदी जी, जो मैं फोटो दिखा रहा हूँ, ही इज द मैन हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एवरीथिंग। ये जो आज जन सैलाब है, ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जन सैलाब है। और पिछली बार केवल 15 दिनों में मैं चुनाव लड़ा था, इस बार 5 साल से मैं लोगों के बीच में हूँ।
Come evening and Patra sets off on his door-to-door campaign. He is handing over his report card for the last 5 years. Even though he lost the elections in 2019 by a very small margin of 11,000 votes, Patra claims he did not forsake Puri. He made sure that centre's schemes reached the Labhartis. Sambit Patra reminds the people about Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana.
This is the booklet which I present to them. You loved me, I love you, I have worked for you, I have followed Modi mantra of working and politics of performance. So this is what I believe everyone should be doing in India. कुछ बैठ के नहीं होगा, खट के करना पड़ेगा. See, as far as Jagannath Mandir corridor is concerned, I will never object to any developmental work. Any developmental work by any party is a welcome sign. No issues. But their own MP said on the floor of the parliament that we are constructing only 4 toilets. So, well, as far as my concern was, it was that within 75 meters, no concrete structure should have been built, which in fact the Supreme Court also ruled, and I'm thankful to the Supreme Court for the same.
When Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik inaugurated the Jagannath Temple corridor in January this year, many questions were raised around it. And it seems to be echoing in Odisha's Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha elections too.
पहले से बहुत अच्छा किया है और लाइन के लिए वहाँ पर सब अच्छा बनाया है। यहाँ पर लाइन के लिए
इश्यूज हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे हैं, जैसे कि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, एजुकेशन, फाइनेंस, इकोनॉमिक्स। सो इन सारे चीज़ों को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए हमें जो भी कैंडिडेट अच्छा लगेगा हम उसी को वोट कास्ट करेंगे।
Puri has been BJD's citadel since 1998. Sitting MP Pinaki Mishra has decided not to contest this time. And the party has fielded former Mumbai Police Commissioner Arup Patnaik to take over. Patnaik made his electoral debut in 2019 when he contested from the Bhubaneswar Lok Sabha seat. He lost to BJP's Aprajita Sarangi. Patnaik says losing the election was a learning experience for him.
He was not an MLA, he is not an MP, so he was not a minister. So how does someone without any kind of a constitutional position do anything and print a card like this? You know, I don't know, he may have helped some people, I don't know that he's in the knowledge of it, I don't know. Puri, you know, nothing moves without the Lord's consent. It is a fact, it's not a, I'm just not saying it for this. So the very fact this took place, it had the Lord's consent. The Gajpati is on record saying that in the last 700 years, what did not happen took place here. And knowing the Chief Minister, as all of us do, is the last person to do anything for a electoral gain.
Congress is going through a difficult phase in Puri. Chosen Congress candidate Sucharita Mohanty returned her ticket. Mohanty says it's tough to manage campaigning without any funds.
ओडिशा के जो इंचार्ज है उन्होंने मुझे एक बार बुलाया और कहा कि आपको इस बार कोई हम मदद नहीं कर सकते, आपको कोई फाइनेंशियली.
And now it's Jai Narayan Patnaik who has taken up the challenge for Congress in Puri.
Puri is considered the land of Lord Jagannath. It has its own cultural and religious significance. The politics of this area also revolves around this temple. That is why the BJD and the BJP are all geared up to give each other a tough fight from this Lok Sabha seat. In Puri with cameraman Ashok Mahale, this is Sikta Deo for NDTV.